How to capture gate in Avatar Realms Collide. So, gates are specific types of strongholds within the game's map that controls access to areas blocked by natural barriers, like mountains, of course. But they are strategic points that alliances must capture and restore to expand their territory and access key locations, such as the Temple of Corruption and pretty much other stuff. So, gates allow alliance members to move troops or relocate cities through otherwise impassable areas. So, while limiting the movement of rival alliances, providing a defensive advantage, and ensuring better control over the key map regions. So, one of the first things you have to put in mind that this is more of an alliance thing. So, you must be part of an alliance to capture a gate, rally your alliance members to join the attack. This is crucial as strongholds are typically defended by lots of other enemy forces, obviously, and a rally increases your chances of success. Then, once you have your alliance, maybe you are the leader, you can launch the attack, select which gate, then choose your preparation time for the rally. A longer preparation time may allow more members to join the attack, but once enough members have joined and you seem ready, launch a rally attack against the gate and you will need to defeat the enemy forces occupying that specific gate, of course. So after successfully defeating the enemy forces, you will need to restore the gate, and this involves spending alliance points and alliance gold to claim and occupy the actual territory. So once it's captured, your alliance can benefit from the advantages it provides. But that's pretty much how you capture the gate in Avatar Worlds Collide. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.